guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing great. First of all, a very happy Independence Day to each and everyone. And today we are going on a special drive with Club Octane. Yes, you heard it right. We are going on a drive with Club Octane. It's a supercar group in Bangalore. And as you guys can see, we have quite a big number of cars over here. We have, yeah, that's Pawan Reddy over there, Pawan Reddy and Nikshit. We have Sneha Jagdish's R8, a golden Mini Cooper, a Porsche Cayman S, and if you look at the back, we have an F-Type and many other supercars, which I'm going to show in the video. So we are headed towards Prestige Golfshire right now. So Pawan Reddy has installed a new exhaust on his car. He has installed a Armitrix Valvetronic exhaust and it sounds really loud. So there's the Aston Martin Vantage right in front of me and a Jaguar F-Type going ahead. And there's another Indian supercar. It's an Indian sports car which is there on the drive today, which I'm gonna be showing in the future. So stay tuned for it. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to Revin Tashin. Hope you guys support us the same way you have supported us until now. And let's make Revin Fam grow bigger and bigger. So in front of Pawan Reddy there's another Mustang. It is owned by Shripreet and it has Corsa exhaust. Okay guys, there's a tunnel ahead of us. I can already hear the pops and crackles on the Mustang. Oh my god, it sounds really loud. Sounds amazing. So I guess we are going to be stopping over here. We have to wait for the other crew members to come. And we have few more cars which will be joining and I'll try to cover all the cars in the video. And there's a Ducati Panigale with acid green wrap on it. Looks nice. There are quite a few groups which is going out on a drive today as it is Independence Day, so it is expected that all the groups are gonna get their vehicles out. All the group members will get their vehicles out and take it for a spin. And here we have a GLC 43 AMG. We have a 350Z also in the group. Damn. Oh my god, a acid green wrapped Godzilla. That looks stunning in real. I guess I'll park the bike in front of the Mustang. Okay, let's wait for all the people to come and assemble over here. I guess after this there'll be another stop after Devnalli toll. Just another regroup point for everyone. Okay guys, we have stopped over here after the toll and as you guys can see there are quite a few Mustangs in the group and we have Mercedes, we have BMWs, we have a Lamborghini Huracan, Vishnu KV's Lamborghini Huracan. We have two Audi R8s also in the group. And as I said, there is also a DC Avanti. This is the first time I'm seeing a DC Avanti right in front of my eyes, and it looks really nice. Atmanirbhar Bharat. And there's a Continental GT, a Porsche, an RS7, and as I said, we have quite a few Mercedes also. And so the GoPro battery seems to be low. I guess I'll be showing you after we reach Prestige Golf Share. So yeah,
We have a huge lineup of cars coming from there, and our beloved six are going all the way to the other end. So we have quite a huge list of cars here, and I'm starting off with the Lamborghini Huracan. And then we have a Mustang here, and then an RS7. We have an BMW X4M and a Mustang again. You guys would have already seen this Mustang in the previous vlogs. And this is the Mercedes GLC 43 AMG, again tuned by eTuners Motorsports. And there is a golden wrapped Mini Cooper. This car looks amazing. There's a Cayman S here and two more Mustangs behind this. We have loads of Mustangs today. And most of these cars are tuned by eTuners Motorsports. And here is a BMW X3, and this car is owned by the owner of eTuners Motorsport, and he is also the admin of Club Octane. Here we have the BMW M2 Competition. This car is small, compact and powerful. Behind that we have a Porsche Macan Turbo, and it has 700 horses packed inside this. This car is loud, powerful and amazing. After that we have a Audi R8. You guys have seen this. This Audi R8 is a V10 and not a V8, and it has a Capriccio exhaust installed in it. It's a V10. And behind that we have the BMW M4. This car looks mean. After that we have the Jaguar F-Type and an R8 there.
I like to stay alone to keep my head from exploding. People call me crazy, well they're just hoping. I hate most crowded places, they're all fake destinations. Me and my lover will stay together and keep on floating. I don't wanna leave my zone, I don't wanna feel the tone, I don't care if I'm not accepted. If I'm not right, then you're just wrong. That's a fact now, that's a fact now. And if I'm not wrong, then you're not right. I'm never wrong when it comes to my mind. It's not about what you look for, it's what you find. Stay alone to keep my head from exploding. People call me crazy, well they're just hoping. I hate most crowded places, they're all fake destinations. Me and